Well, I am going to um, do a 6th grade standard level mathematics lesson
Okay.
on balancing equations.
Oh.
Now, the trick to this is my mentor teacher is doing the addition subtraction, and then I'm doing the multiplication division. But we're both teaching inverse operations. So our thoughts were to, before we even get into the abstract idea of using inverse operations on an equation, is to actually have a balance. And initially I was thinking I wanted to have a real science lab balance and have like 5-gram weights and 1-gram weights and demonstrate that it's not the amount of weights on each side or the number of weights, it's the value that keeps it balanced. We could not find one. So we didn't have that kind of balance in the school. So we went online, and on NCTM's website they have a balance, an applet that shows shapes. So we're going to balance with shapes and just show that you can have, it shows how you can have a square and a circle and three triangles, and then a different combination on this side, and they still balance. But if you take one triangle off, you have to take exactly one triangle off the other to keep it balanced. Or if you add a circle here, you have to add exactly one circle to keep it balanced. So we decided to use that as our illustration prior to getting into the equations. So that's kind of like our kickoff.